What is mechanistic modeling, and why isn't it more widely used in pharmaceutical development? Despite its promise, mechanistic modeling remains underutilized in pharma. Why? Because it's often misunderstood. Many still see it as academic or overly complex. But today, forward-thinking companies are already embracing it, recognizing it as a powerful way to improve efficiency, cut costs, and accelerate timelines. Pharmaceutical manufacturing is complex, costly, and often slow. Every decision has high stakes, and finding the right process parameters can take months of iteration, trial and error, and expensive lab time. Mechanistic modeling is a way to understand and predict how a process works, using science, not guesswork. Most teams rely on historical data, design of experiments, or machine learning to guide decisions. But these methods either require vast amounts of data or fail to explain why a process behaves the way it does. Mechanistic modeling offers a better way. It works by building digital representations of your process using established scientific laws, such as reaction kinetics, mass and heat transfer, and fluid dynamics. These models describe how different variables interact over time and how changes to inputs, like temperature, concentration, or feed rates, impact outcomes such as yield, impurity levels, or cell viability. This approach allows you to run virtual experiments across a range of conditions, simulate scale-up scenarios, and test edge cases, all before entering the lab. It reduces reliance on empirical methods and enables a more proactive, predictive form of process development. For drug substance manufacturing and cell cultivation, mechanistic models provide clarity where data alone can't. They help development teams cut through complexity, reduce experimental load, and reach decisions faster with greater confidence. This isn't about replacing scientists, it's about giving them sharper tools. At Auxilart, we specialize in this type of analysis, grounded in research from the University of Tokyo. Our technology, mechanistic AI, combines mechanistic modeling with AI innovations to achieve even greater speed, precision, and insight. These models are already helping pharma teams cut development timelines, save cost, and scale with fewer surprises. We begin with a focused proof of concept designed to minimize your effort and demonstrate real value, then build on this insight to propose higher impact initiatives. Want to know more? Then click on the link below. Accelerate your processes. Improve your results. Auxilart.